Want to capture your Android screen in a snap? Look no further. This tutorial guides you through the simple steps to initiate a screen recording on your Android device. Whether you're sharing a how-to guide or saving a funny video, you'll be recording like a pro in no time. Step-by-step guide. Step 1: Swipe and access. Begin by swiping down from the top of your screen to unveil the notification shade. Your gateway to screen recording is just a tap away. Step 2: Toggle settings. In the notification shade, find the screen recording icon and tap on it to access the recording options. Step 3: Configure recording. Customize your recording preferences, like audio source and video quality, according to your needs. Step 4: Ready, Set, Record. Once you've set your preferences, tap on the Start Recording button to begin capturing your screen. Step 5: Capture your moment. Your Android device is now recording your screen. Navigate through apps, demonstrate features, or record anything you like. Step 6: Stop and save. To stop the recording, tap on the notification or return to the screen recording icon in the notification shade and press stop. Your recording will be saved to your device. Conclusion: screen recording on your Android device has never been simpler. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a content creator, these steps make capturing your screen a breeze. If this tutorial was a game changer for you, remember to subscribe for more Android-related tips and tricks. Give us a thumbs up if you found this guide helpful, and feel free to drop comments suggesting future tutorial topics. Happy screen recording!